Alright guys, I'm here. I just tried to tell you guys and to show you. It's gotten bad here. I walked this way toward my house. There's my van that's completely covered in little less than about 2 hours. It's not bad yet, but we just got another warning on my phone. What we weren't supposed to get was the ice with this, but they're expecting about a 1/4 inch by morning. This is nothing yet. After midnight, it's supposed to be somewhere between 1 to 3 inches an hour. But as you can see, it's really snowing out here. This has just gotten completely nuts. So I'll take you for a little walk, but I won't walk far. The winds have calmed down a little bit, but I've got 3 layers on, so I'm not so much worried. But to tell you where the wind is blowing from, that is my sidewalk, and then it comes this way, and as you can see, it blew it around the corner. So there's the bare spot. Like I said, the nice thing about living up here is I live near the falls. The bad thing about living up here is I live by the falls. So when we get storms like this, we get snow drifts up the wazoo. So anyway, I have my headlamp and I have the lamp from the phone, so I will take you for a little walk through the neighborhood just to let you see. And as you can hear, maybe, it's a very dry snow because it's very crunchy under my feet. But it is pretty. It's just cold, so you get kind of used to it after a while. That's the big thing here, living up here. Everybody, oh, New York's pretty. Yeah, during the summer. During the winter, kind of sucks. Bonnie's like, don't go off the porch. Never listen to her anyway. She'll get mad at me later. But as you can see, it's really snowing. It's quite the cold. And they just put another emergency there. Hopefully you can see that. But there's the snow blowing off the roofs. And this has just started around 4 or so. This is supposed to go to somewhere about midday tomorrow. So this is just going to be really, really fun to go walking in this. Thank God Bonnie has Monday off. And we don't have to worry about this, because it's Martin Luther King Day. So yeah. But like I said, the wind has pretty much died out here. For now, it picks up. But as you see, it's gotten pretty bad in the course of less than an hour or so. It picks up, it drops off, picks up, drops off. But the bad thing about it is where I live, which is near Albany, so I'm kind of on the little outskirts of the bullseye, but I don't think that'll make a big difference at this point. Because like I said, it's cold. So I'll take you around for a walk in my neighborhood here for a few minutes. The only thing that survives is I have 2 gloves on. But as you can see, it's really... And yeah, there's still people with Christmas decorations up, a bunch of diehards. Excuse me. Sorry guys. Little phlegm. But like I said, you can see it's really quite the snow here. So I'll make this the last vlog on my channel tonight. And then tomorrow, I'll get up in the morning and I'll come out and I'll show you exactly how much is out here. But like I said, I take it slow. You know, everybody, you can even see the cars coming up through. Let me get up here and you can see this to show you how slow they're moving. That's slow. Everybody like, it looks so pretty. Yeah, I'd rather have rain. You don't have to shovel rain. Yeah, we'll go down this way. Like I said, I just walk slow. There's probably a good 2 inches out here already. The biggest thing's going to be tomorrow with the drifting of it, because the winds will pick up later. Like I said, I like snow, but these kinds of storms make me nervous, because you get people that get a little stupid and go out and drive in it because I need to go and get coffee. And it's like, dude, should have bought that before the storm hit. And they end up sliding off the road and into a ditch, which is not a good thing. But yeah, I'm walking back up toward me. I'm sorry if it wobbles a little, guys. But as you can see, it's really snowing. It's cold. But you get used to it after a while, especially living up here in the great Northeast. And Amber Ann, you're getting rain. Let me tell you what, if you watch this video, I'll be more than glad to pack this storm up in a pretty little box, and Bonnie and I will send you this. Even wrap the box in a boat for you. I'll take the rain. This is just insane. And the bad thing about it is when the wind picks up with the ice, then our power goes out. But we have contingency plans for that. So my house stays warm, so the kids will stay warm. And like I said, it's a dry snow because you can hear it crunching under your feet. But yeah, you can really see it now. And like I said, it's quite the... Right now the winds have died out, but they'll be back again later on tonight and tomorrow. And Monday, our wind chill here is supposed to be somewhere between 15 to 20 below. That's cold, even for me. So, alright guys, that's my last vlog for tonight. Let's just see the snow. But yeah, like I said, it's coming down. It will, okay, somebody running with their dog. And I don't worry about it, I'm walking on a one-way street. So I can see lights behind me if somebody shows up. But I don't think anybody's going to be out in this anyway. Not crazy like me. And like I said, it is pretty. You know, but you get used to it. Picks up, slows down, picks up, slows down. Yeah, here's case in point too, guys. Let me get up here. You can see this. This is where the wind blows around the corner, and it blows the snow and drifts it. There's one drift, and it comes all the way around the other way, and it blows it over toward the garage. So yeah, it gets a little nuts. Like you said, it's cold. You get used to it after a while though. Alright, I thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please subscribe. Hit the notification button so you get to see more snow videos or whatever else I post. And if you'd like to leave a comment, feel free. I like comments. I like reading comments. Lets me know you care. Anyway, we will see you in the next vlog. And like you said, I will post another snow video. I'll post another snow video. Hopefully tomorrow. Alright guys, made it all the way around the block. So anyway, take care of yourselves, and I will see you tomorrow in the other vlog. Take care guys.